segment. Good luck, everybody. All the best of luck. Yes, we got champions 55. You're the top winner here. Congratulations. And wish you best of luck. Let's go. I will always choose black. Well, now I have some chills, bro. Good luck. Lindsay, you're the top winner. Cash hands with a 7X. Whoa! This is good. Pay attention, we're skipping number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rounds in a row. Come on! Yes! Jump over, baby! It's a cash out with a 7X on it! Woo! Yes! Feels so good. Hey, champs, how are you? Feel yourself perfect with a 7X in your pocket. Okay, let's make everything 7 times bigger. How about right now? Boom! Ooh. We have some chills. Max multiplier 700X, ladies and gents. Nice chance to shut 350X and somebody delicious, boy, juicy, stunning. Choose wisely, by the way, yeah? Deep breath in, deep breath out. Go for it. Decision time. So I'm choosing 3-7. Cupcake is mine. It was quite a good spot today. We'll see. We'll see. Did you choose your lucky emoji? Oh, 70! 700X for 39 players, 350 for 201, and 175 for almost 2,000 players. Hey, you are... Baby, your ton has done a great job. Bertie Tomlin, 1,783 years goes to you. Amazing. Bang time to you. Good luck, everybody. Let's keep on rolling, baby. You know what time is it? Hopefully, a crazy time or one of the bonus rounds. Good luck, everybody. From last 5 rounds, 1, 2, coin flip, and crazy time were the winning segments. Good luck, everybody. All the best of luck. 4X on a crazy time. This one, Toss Star. HG, I love you. Mwah. Moppy, thank you. 250X point to you. Nice. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm just so happy for y'all. And would you yes, we got crazy time with 4 times multiplier. This is incredible. What? Yeah, let's go, everybody. Woo! Let's go crazy. Get wild once again. Let's go party. Get wild. Let's go. Woo, 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 woo. Yeah! Now this is what we're talking about. Woo! Crazy time, everybody. The biggest wheel. Let's get it going. 4 times multiply. Don't be shy from top side to add it up. Yeah, because we all love a little bit of hot chocolate sauce on top of the ice cream. Woo! Nice. So 3 flappers. Simple as an ABCD alphabet. You got to choose which color is going to be the one that makes you go big, bada boom, bada multiplier there. So it looks like the majority is going for that blueberry blue fresh muffin from the oven. Okay, so green, blue, yellow, and right now, let's get it going in here. 400X the biggest one. Woo! Let's go! Double cheeseburgers, baby. Let's go. Good luck, everybody. And it looks like, ladies and gentlemen, double cheeseburger on that blue. Woo! Let's get it started in here. Let's get it popping in here. Yeah! 800X the biggest one. Let's go! Woo! Good luck, everybody. Double cheeseburger on that blue. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go again on a double cheeseburger. Okay, 400X on that blue. Ladies and gentlemen, this is incredible. Wow, 100X on that green, 60X on that yellow. Wow, I'm on the breath.
Say 984. Let's go on the other room. I like that idea. Hey, penguins, come on, let us inside. Oh, yeah, the penguins like to back talk a bit, but hey, that's all part of the deal. Right, penguins? You are going to let us in, I hope. That's a closed. Vortex is, hey, good day. Welcome to the studio. How are you doing? That's a crazy Tom with a 7X. I'm not going to take my eyes off you, crazy Tom. Get in. Yes, there we go. Ladies and gentlemen, 7X on Crazy Town. Bada bing, bada boom. What's going on? Let's get 'em. I'll be catching you on the flip side. Let's go. Woo! Welcome everybody to Crazy Town. Penguins, I never thought that they would come. Well, Penguins, forgive if I said anything bad about you previously. Let's go. So then everybody, you know the jazz. First of all, 7X grand multiplier. Whoosh! Ba-pow! Now, time to choose. Green, blue, yellow flappers. You just aim your sights on the one that attracts you the most. The one that says hello to you, that's the one you can choose. The one that tickles your fancy the most, that's the one you should block. Most players going for blue. Green and yellow, quite an even battle. Whoosh, 22% for blue, most for blue. Good luck, we can hit quite a chunky multiplier. Stands. Woo. 105X for green, 70X for yellow. Double, everybody, for blue. Ba-bow, that is going to be 1400X potentially on the blue flapper. My energy has been here. Let's go. Yeah. Bada boom, it's 280X on the blue flapper. Still pretty good. Well done to the winners. 280X for blue, 105X for green, 70X for yellow. Well done to all the winners here. Well, the victories. 150,000 leading as well. Ooh, I'm back there.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTCHS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.
Wondering how to make a play all night. Looking your way from out of sight. Thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right. Ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Said you look good in the dim bar light. So damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd fall for somebody like me? When you asked my name, I panicked. So out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked. And I think about you